She's still with us.
No, Michael, you have to move on. Don't you get it? You're driving yourself and everyone around you crazy.
How can you say that? She was your sister.
And letting her go was one of the hardest things I ever had to do. We all have to move on, okay? Especially you.
I can't do that. I've been having dreams. Visions, dreams, I don't fucking know. I can't get her out of my head.
What are you talking about?
Listen. Just listen, you have to listen. Listen, I recorded this last night. It was her, Tracy. It's Lisa.
No, it's impossible.
It is.
No. Is that what is it? Is that your idea of a sick joke, huh?
You think I'm joking? Don't you get it? Don't you understand? She's trying to talk to me.
You are crazy. You're crazy.
I thought this would make you happy.